bus is supposed to come at 3. We're still waiting for the bus. But everybody's here. And all our stuff is here. And all the program stuff are there. And we are excited to go to Perak again. Missy 2.0, let's go. Hi, we're already on the bus. Hello, we are at BRNR. I got myself a Levi. She got herself a Levi. Horn dog.
Saya adalah waris abang ni. Dekat kamu. Tak selesa.
Hi everyone, it's 6:10 in the morning. I woke up around 5:30, had a shower and got ready. Yesterday I couldn't really record when I got to KKTM Lenggong because my phone died, and for a bit the charger wasn't charging, so couldn't really show you guys distribution last night. But we arrived, we took all the stuff, moved all the stuff, and then we had a little briefing and everybody went to sleep. Oh, lepas tu bilik ni 2 orang je duduk, me and Jess. Jess tengah siap. So that's that. Bye.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, everybody. Oh my god. Rasa macam kat genting. Oh, ketemu. Lupa nak update. Telur dadah, nasi goreng kampung, hot tea. Jom kita gerak ke Dewan. Jom, ayo. Good morning from Lenggong. Good morning from London. London over. London over. Hi. Good morning. Nampak semua orang tak? Tak tahu lah. Nampak. Lenggong ni.
Today we're at KKTM. So, what we're gonna do for today is the day that the students will come. Okay. So, stay tuned. Okay, Firas. Baik, Firas. Okey, pandai. Boleh tak apa. Okey.
Orang tengah jaga checkpoint untuk accepting all the students in because they're coming in. So kita tengah jaga untuk proses pendaftaran. Ya Allah, belum start lagi ni. Penat dia lain macam. It's almost 3 and we're waiting for the kids to come.
Semua fasilitator yang ada cuma kita orang bagi kerja. Saya di sekolah SMP Sultan Azlan Shah memegang jawatan sebagai pengawas sekolah. Saya seorang yang soft spoken.
Jom. Dia tak bunyi ni. Itu lagi tiga. Jom. Dah ni makan.
Okay, kemudian pocong ni sebab Nan ni menakutkan dan kami menakutkan keluarga lain. Sebab kami pastinya akan menang.
Okay, sekarang terima kasih kepada benar.
Assalamualaikum.
Tak nak dekat semua. Nak buat apa? Nak buat apa sekarang? Apa nak buat? Amboi.
Dua sikit, nampak kami tepi sikit.
Korang dua tarik bawah. Tarik bawah lagi. Terus tarik sana.
Okay. Tengok dulu. Angin.
Pon lah angin ni. Tak gol.
Boleh juga sikit. 3 4 5 Okay.
Belakang. Tengok bola. Bola mana?
Okay.
Air lagi 7.
It's currently 8:46 at night, and on our way out again.
Today has been a very long day, so I couldn't really vlog. But tonight we have something very exciting. Sedap. Sedap. What do you mean? Music. Oh. Yeah, we have something very exciting for the kids here, which we are really excited about, honestly.
One, two, three, akrab!
Test mic 1, 2. Oh.
Hi, good morning. It's 9, I think 10. I'm eating my breakfast. Today is the last day of us being here. And then we're gonna move to the next
To
location.
be honest, it's quite sad kau tak tinggalkan diorang.
Yeah. They were, even though they're a lot quieter, but they're all nice.
Inilah orang attachment issue.
Manja.
Ready tak ready? Okey, 1, 2, 3. Terima kasih misi minta maaf. Restu doakan kami untuk kami sayang misi.
We parted ways with all the kids. It was really sad. Definitely a bittersweet moment. Some of them cried, some of us cried. Now we're heading to the next vacation. I'm taking the bus right now.
Wan Nur Aqilah binti Wan Hizamri, Syahirah binti Muhammad Razi. Inilah keluarga anda yang baru.
Oi, barang-barang 4 orang anak. Balik kampung. Iya. Siapa tu? Siapa tu? Iya. Hai. Good morning. Kita nak pergi sekolah dulu. This is hari kelima, day 5. Hari ni kita ada Mega Zumba. So,
We are late to school, guys.
we are late.
Nak kena saya dalam grup ni.
Update. So, semua orang bawa motor. Kita orang noob. Kita orang tak reti bawa motor. So, kita kena jalan lah. Pakai 2 kaki. Tapi kita dah lambat ni. Jadi kita harus segera. 2, 3.
Hi guys, today we're at SMK Besar Kelda. What we gonna do? Zumba. So, siap.
Selamat pagi.
Ini kabus je.
Selamat pagi.
Wow. On 3, 1, 2, 3, akrab!
Ni lah, dia okey. Ni cakap kat dia.
Banyak mana weh? Hello. Okay.
Nak rekod. Terima kasih. Oi, dah. depan stesen Dobi tu.
Makcik belakang sikit.
Hmm.
Umur makcik ke belakang lah. Sunyi sikit lah.
Hi everyone, it's almost 8:30 at night. Tonight kita ada like majlis malam kebudayaan. So we were a little bit late because of some stuff that happened during the preparation of Lewang. 3 orang pakai kain samping. Give it for us. Oh. Hi everyone, today is a new day. I think it's day 6 of museum, and today we are at Escape Asia Lama, which is so, I feel like, oh kenapa benda ni berlubang, just so like nostalgic. I feel like I've been here before last year for Bekasi, so now that I'm going back, really nostalgic and cute and full of memory. And anyways, right now is the slot for watching a movie, and the kids are watching Upin Ipin. So I'm just resting here at the back classroom because I barely got any sleep last night while watching movies. Yeah.
Okay, awak pula cita-cita nak jadi poli. Baik, boleh.
Dinding harapan.
Okay. Janji tangan dia. Tak berawal, perempuan tak tahu tu. Okey, bawa ajar. Ajar. Okay, yang lelaki boleh duduk.
Belah je ni, letak je ni.
Jawab sekali. Tak tahu.
Yang lain tolong.
Tengok Saleh. Nak siapa nak lewat? Okey.
PC, saya dah siap juga.
Patah tangan. Buat muka patah tangan.
Guru saya Puan Sazana Ahmad, guru besar sekolah bahasa Melayu. Encik Muhammad Syafar Abdullah, penungkang yang pentadbiran. Encik Muhammad Hafiz Yusof, penungkang Kumpul Kalian.
Aku tak nak pandang kau, Aku tak nak pandang kau. Aku tak nak pandang kau.
Ayah nak ucapkan ribuan terima kasih kerana dah sudi datang ke rumah ayah ni dengan buruk ni. Kemudah-mudahan kita jumpa lagi di lain masa. Banyakkan pelajaran bagi betul-betul etikap. Bagi sama-sama.
Kalau ada dah kerja jangan lupa mak dengan ayah kat Terik. Kat Feda Bersiap ya. Okay.
We're all saying goodbye.
Yang tak ada, still salam juga dengan mak abang kat sini. Pada orang tak ada diorang, tak adalah kita ada kat sini. Okay, so sekian, terima kasih.
We are finally on the bus, and I took my makeup off because it got ruined from all the crying. tengah jadi lembu. Kita orang naik. Kita orang nak naik lori. Campsite. Oh my god. Boleh mandi-mandi. Tapi kat sini memang tak ada main langsung. Haha. Little hutan.
I was like, masa mana nak charge phone?
I don't think that's possible to begin with. Yep. Tak ada service pun. There's nothing to do on your phone.
Korang tak gerak dengan Abah?
Abah tak nak gerak.
Abah cakap apa?
Tadi
Abah tak nak.
dia surprise kau tadi sampai-sampai masa kita salam tu. Mak dah naik ni dah. Lepas tu dia macam ni. Kita pun bye. Lepas tu kita datang lah. Alah.
Memang semua orang kejam betul dia. Ya Abah.
Abah tu dia askar. Regimen Melayu 3. Semua.
Dia punya tulisan kat situ apa tu?
Misi mahasiswa.
Misi mahasiswa 2.0. It's a wrap. Okay?
Join program ni dapat kenakan kawan, dapat jalankan satu misi yang besar lah untuk kita kan.
Semua sekali saya nak ucapkan terima kasih kepada semua, kepada Kelab Akram, kepada yang menerima saya dalam
Siapa nak tiup pun tiup? Sekali lah Najiha.
sama-sama lah.
Sekali lah Najiha.
Ini peraturan dia. Saya sebut nama itu kad. You tunjuk, I ambil pula.
Okay.
I want you to find 3 love.
Love? How am I supposed to find it?
And now I want you to 8 love.
8 hearts. Search.
Just
Pick random one.
this one.
Hi everyone. This is a sudden jump from the last clip I recorded.
Oh, dah janggut cukup janggut comel dah.
Today is a new day and Rani punya schedule is free. So everybody boleh pergi everywhere they want to. And right now, kita orang dekat Ipoh Parade. Raya kejap. Tak sempat ayun tudung sebab semalam duduk dalam kemah.
Cantik ni pergi yang mana ni?
Ilmi kat dalam tu. Cikgu masuk dalam je Ilmi. Ilmi cikgu keluar. Ada Denish kat depan karaoke ni. Ilmi kat dalam karaoke. Denish kat luar karaoke.
Hai. Kita orang nak buat unboxing sebab hari tu Mak bagi hadiah untuk all 4 of us, tapi we haven't had the chance to buka lagi. So we don't know what's gonna be in here. In this. So kita nak buka ramai-ramai. Ada yang korang kena tengok. Korang kena tengok sekali dengan kami. Siapa korang? Rahsia.
Korang tu kau orang lah.
You. Akulah target market aku. Dan akulah target audience aku. Alah. What about me? Audience aku kena tengok aku. Akulah audience tu. Okay. What do you guys think it will be?
Tudung. Memang tudung lah. Baju.
Really?
Oh, baju dah pink.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mak. Love. Actually,
for
my
the
phone is here.
hospitality. I'm so grateful for the experience, and it definitely is an experience that I will never be able to forget. This tudung match actually with my outfit. yeah, that's it. Anyways, we went to night market, Ipoh night market just now. Tapi I have a balcony. That is so fun. It goes all the way to the back of the room, and I don't know, it's just so fun. Hello, it is now day 8, 1st of May. We are going back to Bangi in about 2 hours. So we're now just getting ready and packing and saying goodbye to Lenggong, Kerik, Ipoh. Just saying goodbye. Yeah, I just got ready. Very simple. More of it sad, I guess. Made a lot of memories and got a lot of experience from this program this time, this year. So I'll probably miss it. I'll miss it definitely. But we're just gonna get ready. I don't really think that we're gonna do much today. We're just gonna be on the bus. From there that would stop dekat makan semua. But that's about it. So I don't really have anything to record anymore. Hence, this is the end of the vlog. So, bye bye.